Hey Jason, my name is Larry Powell. I'm the owner of Circle P Marketing here out of Eugene, Oregon. I actually saw your display last night at the LinkedIn local meetup and wanted to shoot a quick screencast for you and provide some free value and some pointers on your website and what you guys are doing with your digital marketing. So with your guys' website, couple pointers I have for you here. This picture needs to kind of be adjusted just a little bit just so you're able to see this full knockerball thing here. I like the background image here. This is pretty cool. One other thing that might kind of help you guys out is you have your contact form here on this separate page. Putting this actually on your home page can really help with your conversions. So if you're able to put this somewhere in this area through here, would definitely help you guys out. Content wise, I know it's kind of limited in what you can talk about as far as the Knockerball Eugene. But kind of sprucing up this content, adding a little bit more. Really what I recommend for clients is having anywhere from, about 1,000 to 1,500 words of content on this homepage. Would really help you guys out. I know you have a lot of different tabs. So if you were able to kind of put some of this information you have in here on this homepage as well, and then you can also mention it again in these other tabs, would definitely help you guys out with content. There was a recent study done by Google where they tallied 1 million different websites. And they found that the top ranking sites oftentimes had at least 1,000 words of content on this homepage. So that would definitely help you guys out with your guys' rankings. So looking at party rentals, Eugene, Oregon was kind of the search term I went off of to kind of see where you guys were doing. And I'll kind of dive into the reason behind that here in just a minute. But looking at party rentals, Eugene, Oregon, for the Google My Business or the map pack, which is the first thing you see when you search that term in Google. I have you guys sitting at 12th for this exact search term right down here at Knockerball Eugene. What kind of gets you into this map pack is you have your organic site rankings, so where you're ranked at in here, and then also it has a combination of reviews on your GMB, and then it's also citations. So citations is any mentioning of your business name, phone number, and address on the web. And I can show you how many citations you have here in just a few, but increasing those citations would definitely help you guys out. Obviously with the reviews, you guys were doing pretty well on those. It seems like everybody loves your guys' business once you guys get out there, but increasing those citations would definitely help you. For your organic rankings, there's a couple different factors that go into this. So you have the age of the site, which is actually one thing I want to turn on here so you can see this a little better. You have the age of the website, you have the overall content on the page, and then you have what's called backlinks. So age of the website is one thing that we can't really influence. There's just not really much you can do about it except for wait for your website to get older. But there's lots of things you can do better than your competition to kind of negate the age of the website and make it not as big of a factor as far as it being able to rank ahead of you guys. So Parties to Go is ranking the highest for Party Rentals Eugene, Oregon. From what I could see as far as like competition wise, they don't really do anything in like the party supply as far as like bounce houses or anything. Destination events doesn't really either. Looking at Action Rentals or Action Rental, they do the bounce houses, so I kind of based them off your competition for this, what I'm going to go into here in just a little bit. So looking at your guys' website, I use this tool called Ahrefs. It's a paid tool. It's like $180 a month. If you ever wanted to get on there and look at stuff, they do have like a 7-day, $7 trial. So if you did want to come through and verify this information, that would be one option you have. So I talked about backlinks earlier, and backlinks is any mentioning of your site on the web where you're linking your site to another. So for example, it's kind of like a high school popularity contest, and you have the coolest kid in school is saying that the least popular kid in school is cool all of a sudden, and in turn it's going to bring up that least popular kid's popularity. So what we're doing here is that site A is linking to site B, and in turn you're getting some of this backlink juice back to your website. And what you're looking for with these backlinks is that they do follow, and then you also want them to be relevant to the niche you're in. So currently you guys have 4 referring domains with 13 backlinks, and only 2 of those are do follow. So that means 2 of those websites you're actually getting some of that backlink juice back to your website. So what does that mean? It means, okay, so Action Rental Events, who we're saying is your top competitor because they do the bounce houses and stuff. I know it's a very different service that you guys are offering, but oftentimes if people don't know about Knockerball, they're not going to be searching all the way down to see where you guys are at. So looking at Action Rental and what they have going on, They have 19 referring domains with 45 backlinks, and 10 of those are do follow. So increasing your backlinks would definitely help you out as far as jumping up in the ratings or the rankings. So jumping back into here really quick, there's one last thing I wanted to show you. You have your organic keywords, and this tells me exactly what your website is ranking for. The search volume, this is an estimate, but it is a pretty accurate estimate, and then how difficult it would be to get you ranking. So looking at Eugene Party Rentals, or no, Party Rentals Eugene. There we go, Party Rentals Eugene. This is saying that we're getting 150 searches a month for that key term. You guys are currently sitting at 27th for that. You have seen a little bit of improvement. You've gone up 5 spots, but if you go back and look at overall, you guys really haven't had much increase in your backlinks. So bumping up those backlinks would definitely help you guys out with your rankings and allow you to get into those top spots. Now, the last thing I talked about was your citations, and this tool is called WhiteSpark. And what this tool does, it allows me to see how many times you guys have these citations listed out on the web. So looking at Parties to Go, which was the #1, they have 41 citation sources out on the web currently, and you guys are at 36. So bumping up your citations would also really help you guys out. Getting into this map pack is very valuable territory, especially at as many times as people are doing mobile searches and going right off their cell phones. Getting into this map pack is going to be very valuable for your business in order to really convert these sales and have people be able to get to your business very easily. So if you have any questions on anything, I'd love to help out however I can. If not, I hope I was able to provide some value to you from this screencast. Thanks a lot. Bye.